To the average consumer, terms like open gate and triple base ISO sound like complex engineering jargon. But to a professional cinematographer, these two features are the difference between a frustrating shoot and a seamless, highly profitable workflow. If the leaks surrounding the Sony FX5 are true, these additions will make it the most versatile and valuable tool in any filmmaker's kit. Let's break down why these features are so revolutionary. First, let's explain open gate recording. Traditionally, digital cameras use a widescreen 16:9 or 17:9 crop of their physical sensor to capture video. The physical sensor itself, however, is shaped like a classic 3:2 piece of film. When a camera does not support open gate, it is physically throwing away the top and bottom of the image sensor, leaving that area unused. Open gate means the camera opens its gates and records using every single pixel across the entire physical surface of the sensor. On the Sony FX5, this yields a 5K image with a resolution of 4992 by 3328 pixels. Why does this matter? In the modern era, media delivery is highly fragmented. A client might hire you to shoot a commercial. They will need a horizontal 16:9 version for their website, a square 1:1 version for Facebook, and a vertical 9:16 version for TikTok and Instagram Reels. If you shoot on a traditional 16:9 camera, cropping a vertical frame out of your widescreen video means you throw away more than 70% of your resolution, resulting in a blurry, pixelated image. By shooting in 5K 3:2 open gate on the FX5, you capture a massive, tall image. In post-production, you can easily overlay a horizontal grid, a vertical grid, and a square grid. Because you have so much vertical resolution, you can extract a perfect vertical 9:16 shot and a perfect cinematic 16:9 widescreen shot from the exact same file without losing image quality. You do not have to shoot two different setups or mount two cameras side by side. You shoot once, and you edit for every platform. Now let's dive into the triple base ISO system. To understand why this is a game changer, we must first understand how digital sensors handle light. Unlike film, which has physical grains, digital sensors use electronic gain to brighten an image when there is not enough light. When you raise your ISO, you're essentially turning up the volume on the sensor's electrical signal. Just like turning up a cheap speaker creates static hiss, turning up your ISO creates visual noise, grain, and artifacts. To solve this, modern cinema cameras use dual base ISO. This means the sensor has two distinct physical circuits built into every pixel. One circuit is optimized for bright conditions, e.g. ISO 800, and the other is optimized for low light conditions, e.g. ISO 12800. When you switch to the high base, the camera bypasses the digital amplification and routes the signal through the secondary circuit, giving you an incredibly clean image even in near darkness. The Sony FX5 takes this technology to the next level by introducing triple base ISO. For the first time in a compact camera, the sensor features